Hello, welcome to Titas and Titas Academy. I am Tita Pebbles.
This is Tito Aaron.
Try here.
And this is Tito Richard.
All right. So, for today's topic, pag-uusapan natin yung 15 days cooling off period. Okay, so Tito Richard, ano ba yung tinatawag nating cooling off period? Hindi yan yung mga cool off lang na mga sa relasyon ha. This is a cooling off period sa mga life insurance policies.
Okay, ang cooling off period, ito yung another layman's term dito, is yung tinatawag natin na pinakamaganda na ibinibigay ng life insurance. This is what we call the money back guarantee. Alright, so to add more, Tito Aaron.
Yes, thank you so much, Tito Richard. May tama ka na naman dyan. Ayan, so basically, ano lang siya, yung time and period or yung chance mo para magbago ng isip. So, pwede kang magpa-refund or baguhin yung plan na ginawa nyo. Ayun lang siya. Tama ba, Miss Chai?
Tama. Yan. Ganyan nga ang maganda. So, yung cooling off period na yan ay may isa pang importanteng gawin. Kailangan, ang policy owner, kailangan niyang i-inform or ang ang insurance company na ika-cancel niya na yung kanyang policy para sa in writing, para to make it formal at saka to process the refund immediately, 'di ba? After the cooling off period na tinatawag. Okay? Tama,
All
Tito?
right.
To add more, alam niyo ba na during the cooling off period, okay, yung binibigay ng insurance company na 2 weeks is the client is covered. So, ibig sabihin,
Yan.
protected
Nice,
siya.
nice.
All
During
right.
Okay. To add on that, our policy owner will not pay any charges when and she will get the full refund pagka natapos na yung kanyang cooling off period.
All right. Okay, thank you mga tito. Nagkamot ako eh, no? Thank you mga titos and titas. So tama yan, 'di ba? So within the cooling off period, ito yung time na i-feel natin ano ba yung pakiramdam ng merong life insurance policy. And if you feel like hindi siya para sa'yo, then you'll get the full refund. 'Di ba? Ang ganda nun. Ayan.
Yes.
Alright. So if you have any questions or mayroon po kayong mga topics na gusto nyo naming pag-usapan sa aming mga susunod na episode, please don't forget to write your comment on the comment section below and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. So I am Tita Pebbles.
This is Tito Aaron.
Tito Chay.
And I'm Tito Richard. And
And
we are
we are from
Tito.
Titos
and
and
Titas
Titas
Academy.
Academy.
Hindi pa rin tayo sabay-sabay. Alright. Thank you
Very
everyone for
good, very
watching.
good, very good.
Bye!
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.